Alright. But there wasn't enough room to put a vegetable. That means I won't eat one. Look at the size of that potato. Bacon bits, cheddar cheese, sour cream, all that lovely barbecue chicken. It's on, like Donkey Kong. Don't even think you can mess with this sergeant when we cook. Have a good day. Or good evening. Eat this. Hit the sack. And listen to some Coast to Coast. Peace, everybody. Have a beautiful evening. Let's hit it again tomorrow. Bye.